So you're a famous man of Yorkshire history, but I thought we'd talk about things that have gone now in Yorkshire, because you're still here, thank goodness.
I know,
just on a thin thread. But do you know, like, I'm from Sheffield, so the hole in the road, I remember the hole in the road, where you used to go, like, underneath, and there used to be, like, shops and stuff in Sheffield.
Because I'm thinking Market. Over Yorkshire, there's that many holes in the road, it's doing in my suspension, they need to sort roads out.
The potholes.
I'm thinking they've not
gone.
The
potholes have not gone.
They've not gone. So what were it? An hole in the road and there were shops?
Yeah, in the hole in the road. So do you know when you go under those underground bypasses?
Yeah.
And there were like lots of shops and stuff, and then Castle Market.
Are you sure you just want imagining it in plain shops as you were going through tunnels and it was just like...
I'm sure I wasn't imagining it, was it? And then there was Castle Market, where I used to get all my clothes from Audrey's market shop.
Is that gone?
That's gone.
See, I know, obviously...
All the best places.
Well, it's like shops that have gone, like Woolworths.
Oh.
Woolies.
You can't... Where do you still pick and mix from?
Yeah, well... Shall I tell you? Tasda. No, I don't still pick a mix from Tasda. I once got caught. I didn't got caught. Only about 6 months since. It's like, you're going to pay for that, pal. But yeah, Woolworths, Blockbuster. Blockbuster video. Do you know why I like Blockbuster video? Onion rings. They did these amazing
like fresh onion rings?
No, they weren't frying them up.
Oh, right.
Crisps.
I thought you meant they were like a jacket taty machine, but onion rings.
Jacket taty machine, but onion rings? What are you on about?
I think they should invent one if there's not one.
Oh my days. No, right. But no, Blockbuster.
Yeah.
And then it's like, obviously we spoke about like nightclubs and stuff shutting down.
Yeah.
But it was like in Barnsley, there were like bowling and Quasar, that's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, in Wakefield, that's gone as well. That's gone.
Yeah, that's a thing
James,
like that.
my personal trainer, he used to be the engineer at the bowling place.
No wonder it shut down.
And it
Lanes
turned
were
into
never
a
working.
gym.
Yeah, lanes were never working. If it was Joe, they'd be sleeping on job money. But yeah, I used to love that. And then it's like Barnsley Market. That's changed. They've knocked that inside out, and that's gone to something completely different now than what it was. So like when I'd not been for a few years to Barnsley, when I went to Salt Market for the first time, it just like, whoa, what about CNA?
Oh yeah, that used to be
CNA.
that used to be on Sheffield High Street.
Debenhams, one of the most recent ones, Debenhams.
Yeah,
that's
Trinity
gone.
Walk's gone.
Yeah, and it's like there's so many iconic places like that have gone, and it's just the cost of living, the cost of running these big businesses, and people not going out of their home. You've got told Jeff now with Big Boat who's coining it in.
I was just going to say, because it's not the same when like our daughters are all ordering online. It's not the same as when you go, I went to Audrey's at Market, my dad got me a t-shirt.
I'm glad you've said Market, because that's the biggest thing that's gone for me. When I was younger, there were markets in every city, in every town, they'd have the market, and then even in your little villages you'd have your little markets that would pop up couple of days a week, meat markets, fruit and veg, and then there was some in Barnsley that used to come round on our street every Friday, fish and chip van. So when a van used to drive round and smoke coming out at the top, you could smell it, fish and chips, and then there was somebody that lived on corner who used to work at Walker's factory, and I think they used to half-inch half at crisps, and they used to do crisps and bog roll.
Really?
Yeah.
I love it. Did you ever have like the book libraries as well and the tuck shops in the van?
Yeah. Well, I'm obviously 10 years older than you, so
What did they have before books?
It's like, let's go back. I remember when they would Do It All. Exactly. It's not like B&Q.
Yeah.
There was a place called Do It All.
DIY.
Yeah. Do it.
There we are.
Do it yourself.
Do it. Oh yeah. It does have for DIY do it all. Sorry. Anyway, let us know your memories and where you miss in Yorkshire, because there used to be some right gems, didn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not like
Don't
the
get
olden
me started
days.
on things like sweets, and that's another one. Your retro sweets that are no longer here, and stuff that they say is still the same, but it's nowhere near the same. You know what I mean? It's like now you open up, you get a bag of crisps from shop, it costs you £1 for a packet of crisps, and you open it up and you're having to fight with air before you even get to a crisp.
I know.
It goes poof, and then it's as if Harry Houdini's inside the packet, and you get a big fat packet of crisps. As soon as you open it, they just all disappear, and there's a full
That's true.
So, right, well,
let us know
we have a
below.
drink.
Peace.
Love. Shimmies.
See you soon, guys.
Now, throwing.